Hi student, we are discussing about the preparation of nitroarenes. So second methods by indirect methods. So the nitration of nitrobenzene gives dinitro metadinitrobenzene. The nitration of nitrobenzene gives nitration of nitrobenzene with a nitrating mixer, concentrated nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid. It gives metadinitrobenzene. Because the nitro group is a meta-directing group, so it gives metadinitrobenzene. This is the metadinitrobenzene. So for preparing para-dinitrobenzene, we adopt the following methods. Here we are taking this is the para-nitroaniline. Para-nitroaniline. The para-nitroaniline treated with sodium nitrite NaNO2 in the presence of tetrafluoroboric acid. It undergoes diazotization. What is diazotization? Diazotization, the conversion of amine group into diazo compound is called a diazotization. So here we are taking para-nitroaniline. It will react with the sodium nitrate in the presence of tetrafluoroboric acid. This is the tetrafluoroboric acid, or we can say fluoroboric acid. It undergoes diazotization. Diazotization nothing but the primary amine converted into diazo compound is called a diazotization. This primary amine group converted into diazo compound, it is called a diazotization. So it gives diazo compound N2BF4 plus minus. This is the diazo compound. Para nitro diazo fluoroborate. This is the para nitro diazofluoroborate. So we are taking the para nitroaniline. It reacts with the sodium nitrite and fluoroboric acid. It undergoes diazotization. It gives para nitro diazofluoroborate. It again reacts with the sodium nitrite NaNO2. So it gives para dinitrobenzene, plus this nitrogen goes as a nitrogen gas, N2 gas, plus this sodium and 1 fluorine. Okay, sodium and 1 fluorine goes as a, here we can write BF3 and F. Okay, BF3 and 1F. This sodium and fluorine, okay, goes as a sodium fluoride, NaF, and the remaining part boron trifluoride goes out. So So in this way we can prepare para-dinitrobenzene. This is the para-dinitrobenzene. So by indirect method we can prepare the para-dinitrobenzene. We are taking the para-nitroaniline. It is treated with the sodium nitrite and fluorophoric acids. It undergoes diazotization. It gives para-nitro-diazo compounds, para-nitro-diazofluoroborate. This para-nitro-diazofluoroborate react with the sodium nitrate. It gives para-dinitrobenzene. So if you taking the oxidizing agent like a, if you take the oxidizing agent like a Keros acid, persulfuric acid, peroxytrifluoroacetic acid. Here the amino group directly converted into nitro group. Amino group directly converted into nitro group. We are taking NH2, NH2. This is the para diaminobenzene. Para-diaminobenzene, we are taking the oxidizing agent like a Keros acid, persulfuric acid and trifluoroperoxyacetic acid. Trifluoroperoxyacetic acid as a oxidizing agent. Here the amine group directly converted into nitro group. The amino group directly converted into nitro group. It gives para-dinitrobenzene. So depend upon the oxidizing agents, the amino group directly converted into nitro group. So here we are using the amino groups can be directly converted into nitro group using the oxidizing agent like a Keros acid H2SO5, persulfuric acid H2S2O8, peroxytrifluoroacetic acid or trifluoroperoxyacetic acid CF3COOH as a oxidizing agent. Here the amino group directly converted into nitro group. So this is the indirect methods. We can prepare the nitroarenes from para-nitroaniline. I hope you understand, student. Thank you.